Tawa Pulao is a street food that's loved by everyone. It is a spicy, tangy rice that's cooked on a thick tawa. I've already shared this recipe with you on Rajshri food, but today I'm going to show the Jain version. So let's see how to make the Jain Tawa Pulao. I'm going to start with heating up this pan. Into this goes in a generous heap of butter. Also, I'm going to add a teaspoon of oil to prevent the butter from burning. The butter started to melt. Into this, I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt powder. Since we're not using any ginger, garlic, any kind of aromatics, so for that, I'm going to add just a little bit of the salt powder. Next, I'm going to add in 1 capsicum cut into squares. Let this cook for a few minutes. While this is cooking, I'm going to mix the 2 important ingredients, that are the masalas. So I've taken around 2 teaspoons of Pav Bhaji Masala and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to soak these 2 masalas for at least a good 5 minutes in a little bit of water. So this helps in coating the rice very evenly, and also, you know, the rawness of the masala, sometimes you taste in a pulao and all, you get rid of that. So just soak this in water, mix it well. Once the capsicums are half done, quickly I'm going to add in 1½ cup of chopped cabbage. Also, 2 tomatoes, finely chopped. Cook this till the tomatoes are nice and soft. So today, I'm specifically making a Jain recipe is because a few days back when I was taking my cooking classes, a student asked me, why don't I show more Jain recipes on the channel? So I was thinking, why not? So that's why today I've started with Tawa Pulao. So there are a few spots in Mumbai that are really famous for this recipe. There's one at Churchgate, one at Ghatkopar. The secret behind the lovely taste is of course the butter, and also it's cooked on the same pan, that's the iron tawa, on which they cook the pav bhaji and the masala pav and everything. And it's cooked on really high heat, and that's the whole secret behind this awesome taste. So the tomatoes are done. And now into this, I'm going to add green peas. So I have a cup of boiled green peas here. After the green peas, I'm also going to add in my spice mix. Give this a stir. Time to add in the rice. You can even make this with, leftover rice. Make sure the rice is absolutely cooled down if you've cooked it freshly. Salt to taste. Take 2 spoons and start tossing this together so that you don't break the grain of the rice. Two more ingredients need to go in, some coriander leaves and just a few drops of lemon juice. Give this a last mix and this is done. Time to plate. Steaming hot tawa pulao with just a simple bundi raita or any kind of raita or just plain curd. Trust me, it's heavenly. So do try this Jain version of Tawa Pulao and let me know how it turned out. And if you would like to see more such Jain recipes, do let me know in the comment section below. Until then, see you. Bye-bye.